Hi everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Raluca. I usually do makeup, but in this video I'm going to review a skincare product. This is actually the first time I'm trying this product. The product that I want to try out today is the new Wishful scrub. This is Huda Beauty's skincare brand, and they launched a facial scrub. It looks like something like this. I love the packaging, it's really cute. I love this pastel yellow here, and the writing is kind of holographic. It has 100 milliliters, and let's look a little bit on the packaging. It says it's made in South Korea, and it has pineapple enzyme, papaya enzyme, AHAs and BHAs. If you don't know anything about exfoliation, let me introduce you for a little bit. There are two types of facial exfoliation. There's chemical exfoliation and there's mechanical exfoliation. Mechanical exfoliation means you're using a scrub. And chemical exfoliation is using acids. And these acids are spread into two categories. AHAs, which means alpha hydroxy acids, and BHAs, beta hydroxy acids. These perform a light peel on the surface of the skin. They remove the dead skin staying on top. In the AHAs category, you will find glycolic acid, lactic acid, fruit acids. And in the BHAs category, you will find salicylic acid. Whether you choose chemical exfoliation or mechanical exfoliation, exfoliation in general is really good for your skin. It helps improve the appearance of wrinkles, fine lines, scars on the skin, sunspots, because it removes the dead skin layer on top and helps regenerate the skin underneath. From my experience, you usually apply one or the other, either chemical exfoliation or mechanical exfoliation, but this scrub has both. It has scrubbing particles, so that's mechanical, and also it has AHAs and BHAs that perform chemical exfoliation. So my fear is that this would be too harsh on the skin. Let's start talking about the price. And this product is not really on the cheap side. It's $39, and for a scrub that's pretty expensive if you ask me. On the packaging they have some directions on how to use this product. It says apply a generous amount on clean dry skin. Gently massage in a circular motions, rinse well with warm water, and use 1-2 times a week. I usually apply scrubs on a wet face, but here it says you should apply it on a dry skin, and that's what I'm going to do. We're going to start applying this Wishful scrub here. So this is how my skin is looking right now. I just woke up like an hour ago and my face still looks kind of puffy. I have no major skin problems, only some fine lines here on my forehead and some texture on my nose, but nothing too crazy. Oh my god, it smells amazing. Ooh! Huda says it has less than 0.2 fragrance in it, but it might be the fruity stuff that's in it that smells like this. We're going to start massaging this into the skin. Oh my god. I wasn't expecting this. This is like the most gentle scrub I have ever used. The scrubbing particles are so tiny you can barely feel them. It feels so soft. I really love how it feels, really. It feels so gentle, it doesn't scratch my skin at all. Wow. I don't want to wash this off. I really don't want to wash this off, it feels so good. The scrub is running off my face, I have to wash this off. I wash my face with just water, and now I'm going to pat dry my skin with a towel. Okay, so this is a close-up on my skin right now. The first things that I noticed is that my skin doesn't look red at all. It's not irritated at all. I usually get red after I use a scrub because it irritates a little bit. But now it doesn't look like that. Here I've just plucked some eyebrow hairs, that's why it's a little bit red. So it's really gentle on the skin. The scrubbing particles felt so small, like I almost didn't feel them at all. And it kind of feels, my skin kind of feels hydrated and glowy. Although I'm going to use a moisturizer, I just wanted you to see the skin without anything on it after using the scrub. And this is how it looks. Of course, this kind of product gives results after a few more uses. You can't expect a skincare product to have immediate results most of the times. But I really love how it performed. And I'm going to keep using this. And a thing that is really worth mentioning is after you exfoliate, your skin is sensitive. Like, you remove the protective dead skin on top and your skin is vulnerable, especially to the sun. You need to apply sunscreen, and especially for me, I apply the scrub in the morning. I will apply SPF 50 today. Of course, you should apply SPF every day, but especially after you exfoliate, you need to be careful about wearing that SPF. Anyways, I'm going to moisturize my skin right now. I always moisturize after washing my face. And that's it for this video, trying out the new Wishful scrub by Huda Beauty. And I personally really like it. It's really gentle, it smells amazing. I haven't noticed any irritations. I don't know, I just love the texture and the feel of it. It's a good product in my opinion, and I'm definitely going to use it again. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope this video was useful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I hope I'll see you in my next video. Bye!